Asian water buffalo are found in regions in and around India, Sri Lanka, and Malaysia. Their original range stretched from central China across to the Philippines and as far south as Tunisia. Both males and females have horns that curve upwards and inwards to a sharp point. They are used mainly for display and defense, but in bulls they can act as deadly weapons during a fight. These social creatures form large herds made up of family clans. Each clan has its own territory and consists of about 30 related females and their young, led by an older female. Adult males usually form small groups of up to 10 individuals, although older males often lead solitary lives. Buffalo spend their days feeding, wallowing, and dozing, returning to resting areas at sunset in order to sleep. Because of the intense heat and abundance of biting insects, these animals spend a lot of time in muddy water, sometimes submerging themselves so deeply that only their nostrils show above the surface. This species is considered to be highly endangered because very few individuals are left in the wild. Human expansion into their habitat and the draining of water lands for agriculture has fragmented the range of the Asian water buffalo. In the wet season, groups of bulls and cows merge, and bulls compete for the right to mate. A dominant bull defends a small group of cows, attempting to mate with each of them. However, they often reject him violently. A successfully mated cow produces just one calf after a long gestation. A young female stays with her mother for life, but a young male is driven away before he is 3 years old. With its cumbersome body immersed in cooling mud, the Asian water buffalo shelters from the sun's intense heat while it grazes on floating vegetation and aquatic plants. It is well designed for life in the wet grasslands, humid swamps, and damp river valleys. Domesticated water buffalo have been introduced to many regions around the world and now outnumber wild populations.